Welcome back to Shanesville. I know it's been a long time since I recorded anything. So right now I'm gonna take the channel kind of in a different direction. I'm gonna do a bunch of how-tos, simple how-to videos, along with some fishing stuff. But so right now this is where we're at in the room downstairs. I have recorded probably 4 hours, 5 hours of demolition and everything else, the little patches on the wall, mud and doing all that. Recorded all this stuff, and apparently my SIM card wasn't pushed in all the way, so I don't have it. So we're starting all over. Hopefully this gets recorded. We are going to do a how-to on simply how to put hinges and your little door handle in on this door. Man, it's going to attach right here. All right, simple, easy stuff to do. You can buy at Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, wherever. Here's your hinges. I bought them in a bulk pack because everything that we have in this house was brass or gold color. Who wants that? Nobody. And I bought the door handle was I think it comes in like a 10 or something, 10 pack maybe, I don't know. 6 pack. It's a 6 pack. That's 6. I don't know. One-handed. Alright, it's a door handle. We're gonna be putting that on and hanging this door up. So stick around. Okay, tools needed. Screwdriver is really all you need. You can go the fast way, which is what I'm gonna do. Battery operated. The doors have already been painted. Painted them last night. They're good and dry now. We're gonna be going over painting walls and stuff, so if you're looking forward to that, we'll go over that. But I wanna go ahead, I think I wanna put mine on the door first and see how this goes before I do anything else. This is the top of the door. I'm sure somebody out there is cringing right now as I'm putting this on. Alright, we're just going to repeat that process down through here. Make sure when you're doing this that they sit in here flush. I don't know if y'all can see that. Probably not. But make sure they sit down in that cutout flush before you tighten them down. What I always do is I'll put my foot underneath the door to raise it up where I need it. Can y'all see that? Okay. All right, do the top. Always try to do the bottom. After you get the top, to me the top's always easiest to do first. Again, I always try to get that half moon flushing in here where it's supposed to go. There are hinges done. Check, make sure everything's good, make sure door shuts. Look at that. Woo! These are for the door handle itself. These other 4 are to hold the latch in place, and then this little plate here. Here, I'm gonna put that in there. You can also set the depth if you have a different depth for your handle. We may have to adjust that. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this in here. Let's see how that's See how that's not going in that flush? Look at that. That's sticking out. We definitely want to get that. Definitely want to get that flush in there. All right, I lost y'all for a minute. I don't know where I was at there, but I tapped this in just a little bit to get it flush in there. All right, so the lock, obviously you want on the inside. And we're gonna, let's see if I can get you. Gonna stick that through the middle, through there. Pulls apart, take this in, put it through here. Obviously you want your key side out. You want your lock side in. And this is gonna go up in here. You're gonna spin this to where your bolt holes line up. Can y'all see that? You're looking down. All right. So make it to where your bolt holes line up. I always like leaving it back a little bit and then taking your screw in here, getting it started. That way you can see I need my screwdriver. This is a part where I always use a screwdriver. Always. All right, I don't know how much of this you guys are gonna see or how much this is gonna help out. I mean, that's really like a 5-minute ordeal here to put a door handle and latches on and hinges. I mean, it doesn't take a long time and it really improves the look of the home, I think. All right. Locked, unlocked, all works. There you go. All right, door's hung. Simple job. Well, hopefully that helped out for an easy fix, easy upgrade to your home. Get rid of those brass gold door handles and hinges. It's awful looking. For the contractor packs, I think it was around $100 for the hinges and the handles. I think there's 8 or so, something like that. They get, so you can do 8 doors for like $100, something like that. Anyway, hopefully that helped out. We'll be doing a bunch more how-to videos coming up. Thanks for tuning in.